Hello YouTube, welcome to a layout update. As you see, we got some new stuff. You've seen it in the last review of the month. You got the Santa Fe GP50s, got that Burlington Northern GP15-1, and a Union Pacific SD50. Now, you think not much has changed, but the outer track, as you see, is cut short. And we're going to make it right here. And it's going to go out there. You got a little siding there. And it's going to go out that way. That's not the biggest part. The biggest part is over here. I'm not going to let you see it. Dun, dun, dun. Yep. We just got all the track powered and now we're extending. As you see, it's going to be a Y right here, and it's going to be a big staging area. It's going to come over. We're not done with this part yet, but we're going to need more places to store. This is all going to be big yards. Going to have a couple of tracks, and then it's going. We're just thinking about this. We're just going to come over and come back into here, right there, and that's pretty much it. No new rolling stock yet, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, YouTube.